Hello everyone, so today I've got another unboxing video of another iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB in gold. However, unlike the previous 12 Pro Max in gold, this one, the box is still sealed, so that's good. And again, it is not my phone as I already have my own 12 Pro Max in silver. But yeah, let's take a look around the box. On the front, picture of the phone. On the sides, iPhone. On the top and the bottom, the Apple logo. Since this is the gold 12 Pro Max, the iPhone wordings on the sides as well as the Apple logo on the top and the bottom, they are in gold. And on the back you have the barcode, serial number, what comes in the box, so on and so forth. Okay, so the tab right here, let's pull it. Okay. Put a piece of plastic aside. Open up the top. And right on top is the phone itself. There you go. Put this aside. Right here we have the Lightning to USB-C cable. Designed by Apple in California. The SIM ejection tool, the quick start guide in Mandarin, Malay and English, as well as one Apple sticker. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB in gold. Thanks for watching and goodbye.